Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Antigravity. First, we need to go to our Supabase account and here to account preferences. In account preferences, we have the access tokens menu and we are going to generate a new token. In this case, we can select or type a name for this token. In this case, we are going to type hello and click on generate token. And this is our token. We are going to copy it and then we are going to the anti-gravity. In anti-gravity, we just need to go to the agent BART, and here in the three dots additional options, we are going to select the MCP servers option. We have the MCP store, and here we are going to search for Supabase. When this is done, this is the Supabase extension or MCP server. We just need to go to this section and here we just need to click on install. Once we click on install, the application will ask for the token. In this case, we just need to paste the token that we copy on Supabase. And once this is done, we are going to click on save and the connection has been successfully.